In this video, I'm going to talk about the best two trading view indicators that are working perfectly fine for us. The first indicator that I'm going to talk in this video is the market turning points that provides you the key reversals in the market. And this indicator works in real time. And if we talk about the second indicator, that is called the bank indicator. And this is also very perfect if even you are a scalper or you are a day trader. This helps a lot in your trading business. Okay, so how we basically use this indicator? That's the method is very simple. We basically work on the retest of the bank indicator. So, for example, this level was created and the market came to retest that level. So your stop loss will remain above that level like this, and you will immediately enter into the sell position based on this. And then you have seen that the Great Britain Pound USD 5 minute that has followed the down pattern with no issues. Okay, so similarly, if I change my chart and I can show you the Euro USD, there is a retest as well of the same level. So normally these are those levels which are appeared after the move. Like for example, if the price slightly goes up, then this level will be in formation. And like you can see that AUD retested on the bank buying and then see the upward move with no problem. Okay, so this is all about the bank indicator, the first retest. Like this level was created, the first retest, and then you have seen the price is simply up. Okay, right now you can see this level is not retested so far, and even this level is not retested. So where the market will go for a retest, you will simply enter into the buy or sell position according to the same situation. So for example, pound AUD, this level was created and then the market came for a retest, and then you have taken the entry and it's a sell. You can see it's down. Okay, so the first retest on the bank buying, you can see it has worked perfectly fine. Okay, so we don't trade the second and the third retest because that level will become invalid for that case. So for example, right now you can see AUD USD has given a retest here and the price is up, and now if it comes to retest again, so we will not consider that level. So this is about the bank indicator. The second indicator is called the market turning points that works into the real time. It shows the real time buy and sell signals with the in the form of levels. So this was the sell opportunity on gold, and you can see gold was down, and this was the buy opportunity, and you can see gold is up. And I can show you more. Like for example, this was the buy opportunity, price went up, and sell opportunity, price is going down. So now it has nothing to do with that buy level because this buy level is representing this area, not this one. Okay, so this indicator works in a different way. Okay, so I can show you more examples. Like this is the buy opportunity that is freshly created. Okay, so on the second candle, the opportunities get fixed. Okay, so similarly, whatever you trade, like you look at this is AGDCHF. You can see like the previous two candles ago, it has provided you a sell opportunity and the price is going down. So whatever you trade, it's not a matter like if you trade bank nifty, forex, crypto stocks. Like this is the bank nifty chart. You can see from the selling opportunity, the price is down. And if I show you nifty, then you can see from the selling opportunity, price is down and it went up from the buy opportunity. And similarly, when we talk about Bitcoin, so the Bitcoin went up from the buy opportunity and it was rejected from the selling opportunity. So the market turning points is the very powerful indicator. And if you want to book the lifetime version of the bank indicator or the market turning points indicator, you can contact on Telegram, you can contact through email, then check the description of this video. Thank you.